consigue más visitas, ¿vale?
Y mira cómo Jwèt. Mira, mira.
Nice, there you go. This already looks like me. Yay! Yay! ¿Nos mudamos? ¡Nos mudamos!
Yo creo que no ha quedado tan mal, en serio.
Let's record a video.
Το καλύτερο παιχνίδι που έχω παίξει ποτέ στη ζωή μου.
Madre mía, ¿qué vídeos estoy haciendo? ¿Qué vídeos estoy haciendo, chicos?
Nice, man. Neue Abonnenten. Wait, what? I gotta go to an event? Oh, what's going on? Hello, everyone. Oh. Okay, that's pretty cool.
¡Al cine no! ¡Yo quiero ir a la fiesta del gratis!
They have like a little award show if you hit 100,000. 100,000! Thank you, thank you!
Nadie puede ir a invitarme al teatro, ¿qué pasa?
Hey, bestie. I love your style. You look stunning. Good job. Welcome to the A-list.
Just call me, I'll be there. If time is what you need and I've got plenty to spare. They say a little bit of love goes a
Here we are, boy. Bullworth Academy. Have fun, Jimmy.
Hopkins, you're quite the nastiest little boy I have ever encountered.
Okay, I'm frightened. And I've got a weak bladder.
Hey, Aggie. You can clean my shoes.
This school is filled with wild beasts.
You want me to steal your stuff back from a bloodthirsty mob of angry greaseballs?
Get used to it, kid. You're a man.
I always knew I was a born leader, Ernest.
I can do anything I like in this place. Anything at all.
This place is full of bullies and maniacs.
Nonsense. That's just school spirit. Come here.
You're a degenerate. To think I trusted you.
You're a pig. You ruined my life.
Bullworth is a microcosm for the whole world.
I like you, Jimmy Hopkins, but I need you to do something
Go
for me.
away, Jimmy.
And boy, that nose of yours, keep it clean.
Welcome to Bullworth. This product is not yet rated.